Welcome to a visual treat of 10 stunning interior designs right here in the heart of Los Angeles, where we're shining a spotlight on the epitome of luxury and style. These living spaces have been thoughtfully put together to embrace a delightful mix of modern aesthetics and lavish furnishings, resulting in a symphony of sophistication that perfectly captures the essence of LA's vibrant atmosphere. Each of these interior designs embodies the very essence of high-end living in Los Angeles. The fusion of contemporary elegance and timeless charm infuses these spaces with a dynamic spirit, where comfort and style are the best of pals. From sleek, modern furniture to those classic marble touches, every detail has been handpicked to narrate a tale of luxury and refinement. From plush textured fabrics to the gleaming marble, these interior designs are a testament to the craft of creating opulent sanctuaries that redefine comfort and style. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Join our lively community that's all about celebrating the beauty of luxurious living.